Located on a prominent corner site within a mature residential neighborhood, this house explores the balance between privacy and openness. Exposed to two streets and neighboring views, the design transforms the challenge of privacy into the driving force behind its architecture. From the outside, the home appears as a collection of restrained volumes resting on a dark stone base, creating a protective shell from the surrounding urban context. Inside, however, the spaces open up to gardens, natural light, and seamless connections between interior and exterior. At the heart of the project is a central void that organizes the entire house. More than a light well, it brings daylight deep into the plan, enhances natural ventilation, and visually connects the different levels, fostering a sense of togetherness among family members. The lower level accommodates service functions, while the main living floor combines the living, dining, and kitchen areas into a continuous open space that extends onto terraces and landscaped outdoor areas. The upper floor contains private bedrooms and study spaces arranged around the central void. Through a careful interplay of solid and void, light and shadow, enclosure and landscape, the house creates a serene living environment that feels both protected and deeply connected to nature.